Did you know that over 80% of people who use baking soda don't know its most powerful secrets? That's right. This everyday kitchen item, which costs just pennies per use, is sitting in millions of homes hiding its true potential. Many experts call baking soda the most overlooked medicine on Earth. Think about it. How many times have you used baking soda to bake a cake or freshen your fridge without wondering what else it could do for you? What if I told you this simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses that could change how you think about your health? Why do so few people talk about the real power of baking soda? And what are we all missing out on? In this video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of baking soda that very few people know about. I'll also share important warnings and explain exactly who should be careful when using baking soda. You definitely don't want to miss this, especially if you care about your health and want to make smart choices. Before we dive into the health benefits, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Let's grow together. Please like this video and subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content. Your journey to better health starts here, and we're excited to be part of it. Oh, and let us know where you're watching from by dropping your country in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let's get started with the amazing health benefits of baking soda. 1. Supports detoxification. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or baking. It's praised for helping the body's natural detox processes. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, which means it can help balance acids both inside and outside your body. Many people use baking soda baths to soothe irritated skin, reduce itching, and calm minor rashes. The idea is that soaking in a baking soda solution helps draw out impurities, leaving your skin refreshed and your body more balanced. While scientific evidence for skin detoxification is limited, many users report noticeable relief. Internally, some health enthusiasts believe drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can help alkalize the blood and urine, making it easier for the body to flush out toxins. There's some science to support this, especially for people with certain health conditions. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplements help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. This suggests that under medical supervision, baking soda can support the body's natural detoxification, especially for those who need help managing acid levels. However, remember that your body is already skilled at keeping its pH balanced, and making big changes through diet alone is difficult. Overusing baking soda can cause side effects, so moderation is key. 2. Improves oral health and whitens teeth. Baking soda has earned its place in countless toothpastes and home remedies for good reason. It's powerful for oral health and teeth whitening. If you've ever brushed with a little baking soda, you probably noticed how smooth and clean your teeth felt afterward. That's because baking soda acts as a gentle scrub, effectively removing surface stains from coffee, tea, or other foods that can dull your smile. Unlike harsh whitening treatments, baking soda's mild texture helps polish teeth without causing significant damage when used properly. The benefits go beyond just a brighter smile. Baking soda is alkaline, which helps neutralize acids in your mouth. This is important because acidic environments allow harmful bacteria to thrive, leading to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. By balancing the pH in your mouth, baking soda creates a less friendly environment for these bacteria, supporting healthier gums and fresher breath. Scientific studies back up these claims. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpastes containing baking soda were significantly better at removing plaque and whitening teeth than those without it. Another study showed that baking soda can reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, further supporting oral health. However, moderation is key because baking soda is abrasive. Using it too often or brushing too hard can wear down tooth enamel over time. Dentists recommend using it just a few times a week and always with a soft bristled brush. 3. Helps alleviate heartburn. Heartburn is a familiar and often uncomfortable feeling that many people experience, especially after enjoying a rich or spicy meal. It typically begins as a burning sensation in the upper stomach that can rise into the throat, caused by stomach acid moving back into the esophagus, a condition known as acid reflux. Other factors such as certain medical conditions, weight gain, or pregnancy can also make heartburn more likely. While there are many commercial antacids available, a simple and effective remedy can be found right in your kitchen. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it slowly is a time-tested way to quickly ease heartburn. The science behind this is straightforward. Baking soda is alkaline, so it works to neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes that burning sensation. This reaction provides almost immediate relief, making it a popular home remedy for generations. In fact, the medical community recognizes sodium bicarbonate as a fast-acting antacid. A review published in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology highlights its effectiveness in providing rapid relief from occasional heartburn. The process is simple and accessible. No need for a trip to the pharmacy or expensive treatments. Just a teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes are all it takes to feel better. 4. Antifungal properties. Fungal infections are a common problem, often appearing as itchy, red, or flaky patches on the skin, especially in warm and damp areas like the feet. Athlete's foot, ringworm, and similar conditions are caused by fungi that thrive in moist environments. While there are many over-the-counter creams and sprays available, a simple and natural remedy can be found in your kitchen: baking soda. What makes baking soda effective against fungi is its ability to disrupt the environment these organisms need to grow. When applied to the skin, baking soda creates an alkaline setting that weakens the cell walls of fungi, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. This isn't just a home remedy passed down through generations. There's scientific evidence to back it up. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia found that a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter was able to stop the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested. Using it is simple. A paste made from baking soda and water can be applied directly to affected areas, or you can add it to a foot bath to help soothe and treat athlete's foot. Many people find relief from itching and discomfort after just a few treatments. May relieve urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are a common and often painful problem, especially for women. The burning sensation during urination, frequent urges to go, and general discomfort can make daily life challenging. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people look for natural ways to ease symptoms and support recovery. One such remedy that's gained attention is baking soda. The idea behind using baking soda for UTIs is based on its ability to neutralize acids. When mixed with water and consumed in small amounts, baking soda can help make urine less acidic. This change in pH may create an environment that is less hospitable for the bacteria responsible for UTIs, potentially slowing their growth and making it easier for the body to fight off the infection. Additionally, less acidic urine can reduce the burning sensation that makes UTIs so uncomfortable. Scientific research offers some support for this approach. In a study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women with recurrent UTIs were given sodium bicarbonate as part of their treatment. After 4 weeks, many participants reported significant improvement in their symptoms, including less pain and discomfort during urination. While these results are promising, baking soda should not replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe cases. May treat canker sores. If you've ever experienced the sharp sting of a canker sore, you know just how disruptive these tiny mouth ulcers can be. The good news is that baking soda might be the simple, affordable remedy you've been searching for. Canker sores, also known as Aphthous ulcers, often develop due to stress, minor mouth injuries, or certain foods. They can make eating, drinking, and even talking uncomfortable. Baking soda works wonders here because of its unique ability to neutralize acids in the mouth and create a more balanced pH environment. This is crucial as an acidic environment can slow healing and increase irritation. By rinsing your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water, about half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, you can help reduce inflammation, soothe pain, and speed up healing. Science backs this up. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouth rinses significantly reduced pain and promoted faster healing in patients with recurrent aphthous stomatitis. The researchers concluded that baking soda's mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the sore clean and reduce bacterial growth, which is essential for recovery. 7. Enhances exercise performance. Did you know that a common kitchen staple could give you an edge in your workouts? Baking soda isn't just for baking cakes or cleaning. It's actually a secret weapon used by athletes to boost exercise performance and fight muscle fatigue. Here's how it works. When you engage in high-intensity exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to a drop in pH and creates that familiar burning sensation. This acidity is a major factor in muscle fatigue, often forcing you to stop before you're truly ready. Baking soda acts as a natural buffering agent. When consumed before exercise, it helps neutralize the excess acid in your muscles, allowing you to push harder and last longer during intense workouts. This isn't just fitness folklore. There's solid science behind it. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research reviewed multiple studies and found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly improved performance in high-intensity, short-duration activities like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. Typically, athletes mix about a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before their workout. However, it's crucial to start with small amounts, as too much can cause stomach discomfort. 8. May help improve kidney function. Imagine if something as simple as baking soda could help protect your kidneys, especially if you're living with chronic kidney disease, CKD. For many people with CKD, the kidneys struggle to remove enough acid from the blood, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. This excess acid can speed up kidney damage and worsen overall health. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid, helping to neutralize acid in your bloodstream. By reducing blood acidity, baking soda can ease the burden on your kidneys and potentially slow the progression of kidney disease. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology followed patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. The researchers found that those who took daily sodium bicarbonate supplements experienced a significantly slower decline in kidney function compared to those who did not. The group taking baking soda was less likely to develop end-stage renal disease and require dialysis. Of course, baking soda isn't a cure-all and should never be used without medical supervision. Too much can lead to complications like high blood pressure or fluid retention, especially in people with heart or kidney issues. 9. Can relieve arthritis pain. Imagine finding relief from arthritis pain with something as simple as baking soda. Arthritis, particularly rheumatoid arthritis, is a condition marked by persistent inflammation, leading to joint pain, swelling, and stiffness that can make daily life challenging. The science behind using baking soda for arthritis is both intriguing and promising. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers found that drinking a daily solution of baking soda and water could actually influence the body's immune system. The study revealed that sodium bicarbonate helps activate the body's anti-inflammatory response while calming the autoimmune activity that drives conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animal and human participants in the study experienced a noticeable reduction in inflammatory markers, and the balance of immune cells shifted toward a less inflammatory state. For those living with arthritis, this research opens up exciting possibilities. Incorporating a simple baking soda drink into your daily routine could potentially help manage inflammation and improve joint comfort. 10. Who should be cautious? While baking soda offers many impressive health benefits, it's important to recognize that it isn't suitable for everyone. Certain groups should be extra careful, especially when considering regular use or higher doses. People with kidney issues need to be particularly careful because baking soda contains sodium. Those with poor kidney function may struggle to eliminate excess sodium from their bodies, which can lead to fluid retention and other complications. Individuals with high blood pressure should also be mindful. The sodium in baking soda can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels, making it risky for those already managing hypertension. Similarly, people with stomach conditions such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should talk to a healthcare professional before using baking soda, as it can alter stomach acidity and potentially worsen these conditions. Pregnant or nursing women are another group who should approach baking soda with caution. Excessive intake can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, which may affect both mother and baby. Additionally, people with known allergies or sensitivities might experience skin irritation or digestive discomfort when using baking soda. It's wise to test a small amount first. Finally, those with breathing problems should avoid inhaling baking soda powder, as it can irritate the airways and make breathing difficulties worse. In all cases, moderation and proper guidance are key. If you have any health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making baking soda a regular part of your health routine. As you can see, baking soda is far more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can support your health in many surprising ways. From soothing sore throats to managing arthritis and even boosting exercise performance, its benefits are backed by both tradition and science. But remember, it's important to use baking soda wisely and talk to a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Have you ever tried baking soda for any of these remedies? Or do you have your own tips to share? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit too. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. To keep learning, we've picked 2 videos just for you. Click on one of them, and we'll see you there.